Hello student, SPSPM Srenuka High School. Myself Patil Vijay, Class 10 Mathematics Part 1, Lecture 11, Chapter 2nd, Practice Set 2.5, Sum of Solve Examples. Question number 2, find the value of determination. Example number first, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 1. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. 7 square is equal to 49 plus minus plus 4 1s are 4. Then answer is 53. Next example, twice y minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Compare this equation, then a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 10. B square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 10 is equal to 25 minus 80 is equal to minus 55. Next example, under root 2x plus 4x plus 2 under root 2 is equal to 0. Then a value is equal to under root 2, b is 4 and c is 2 under root 2. B square minus 4ac is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 2 under root 2 into 2 under root 2 is equal to 16 minus 8 under root 4 is equal to 16 minus 8 multiply 2 is equal to 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Example number third, determine the natural of roots of the following quadratic equation. First example, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4. Then delta value is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4 is equal to 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So the root of the given quadratic equation are real and equal because delta is equal to 0. Next example, twice y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then value x a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 2. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substituting this value abc minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 2 is equal to 49 minus 16 is equal to 33. Since the determine delta greater than 0, so the roots of the given quadratic equations are real and unequal. Next example, m square plus twice m plus 9 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 9 is equal to 4 minus 30c is equal to minus 32. Since the determined delta less than 0 because value is minus 32, so the roots of the given quadratic equation are not real. Question number 4, from the quadratic equation from the roots given below. Example number first, 0 and 4. Then alpha is 0 and beta is 4. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. And alpha into beta is equal to 0 into 4 is equal to 0. Then equation is therefore x square minus into bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Then equation is x square plus x square plus minus 4x is equal to 0. Then next example 3 and 10 minus 10. Then alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus minus 10 is equal to minus 7. And alpha into beta is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Then equation is x square minus 7x plus 30 is equal to 0. Next example, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Then alpha plus beta and alpha into beta value put this equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Then similarly solve this some examples. Question number 5. Sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Find k if equation x minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Answer. Let the root of the quadratic equation be a and alpha and beta. Sum of root is alpha plus beta and product is alpha into beta. Given the sum of roots is equal to double of the product. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to twice alpha into beta equation first. Given x minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Then alpha plus beta minus b by a is equal to minus 4k divided by 1 is equal to minus 4. Alpha into beta c by a is equal to k plus 3 divided by 1 is equal to k plus 3. Then compare this equation 1, 2 and 3 we have. Therefore 4k is equal to 2 under root k plus 3. Then 2 multiply, then shifting this right hand side, left hand side is dividation. 2 2s are 4, therefore 2k is equal to k plus 3. 2k minus k is equal to 3, then therefore k is equal to 3. Question number 6. Alpha, beta are roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Answer. Alpha plus beta are roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2 and C is equal to minus 7. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is equal to minus 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a is equal to minus 7 by 1 is equal to minus 7. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 2 square minus 2 under root in bracket minus 7 is equal to 4 plus 14 is equal to 80. Then next example, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta. Substituting this value, 2 cube minus 3 into bracket minus 7 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 42 is 50. Question number 7. The root of each of the following quadratic equation are real and equal. Find k. 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. K square minus 4 into 3 into 12 is equal to 0. K square minus 144 is equal to 0. Therefore, k square is equal to 114. Then square root both side, k is equal to plus or minus 12. Second example, k x into bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Kx square minus 2 kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substituting this value, minus 2k square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. 4k is common, into bracket k minus 6 is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 0 and k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 6. Next lecture 12, topic name chapter 2nd, practice set 2.6. Thank you.